stops. Watch your hands and knees as the train comes up. Please exit to your left and down the exit.
Those two things that just went up and clicked down, those are the anti-rollbacks. And see that hook? It's underneath the train slowly.
It looks like you got the one eye.
And I also remember that restaurant. It was the only place I was cool.
So much. Oh, weird.
You wonder what you bring to the team. We want you for your mind, your engineering.
Please exit to your left and down the exit. Welcome to Gerstlauers.
All clear. Dispatch is ready.
Welcome back. When the car stops, watch your hands and knees as the train comes up. Please exit to your left and